Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rahul M. Rao, psychiatrist from Mangalore, and I practice evidence-based medicine. I was deeply saddened, shocked, and at the same time worried about the current situation in India. So the situation in India is currently very grim, and if this continues, our healthcare system is going to be in grave danger. No, I'm not talking about the COVID-19 virus. I'm talking about those viruses which can speak, those viruses which spread nonsense, unscientific, and foolish practices, which in turn make people fall prey to such practices. A word of caution, I am not targeting any political party nor any organization, nor am I going to take names of self proclaimed unprofessional gurus. It's not that I'm afraid of them, but I'm very much aware that it is not possible to wage a war with a one-man army. But as a young allopathic doctor and a firm believer of scientific medicine, I would like to do my duty to spread awareness about these unscientific practices so that the people around do not fall prey to it. If I have to make some points to prove why allopathy is better, firstly, the people involved in research, clinical trials, and the launch of a new allopathic drug are professionals. They are well qualified and perform scientific research on a regular basis, unlike uneducated unprofessionals who are mere mesmerizers and businessmen. Second, there is something called as hierarchy of evidence-based medicine. The bottommost of this pyramid is anecdotes and personal experiences, whereas the topmost and at the highest level of evidence we have randomized controlled trials where there are two different sets of population to which the new medication that has to be launched is given. It is tested for safety and efficacy, and until and unless all these criteria are met, it is not launched. Unlike other conditions where they market it in a different way. Third point, to launch any new drug in modern day medicine, in allopathy, we have to seek FDA approval, that is the Food and Drug Administration in the USA, and its counterpart in India, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. What more, if this particular new drug is proven to be ineffective or if it is causing any adverse effects, the drug will be withdrawn rather than marketing it in alternate ways. You need techniques of modern science, modern medicine to check BP, SpO2, heart rate, temperature, etc. But when it comes to treatment, allopathy is not your choice. Allopathy, that is scientific medicine, is like a flowing river. Yesterday's treatment might not be valid today. Sir Julius Wagner received Nobel Prize in 1927 for treatment of tertiary syphilitic patients who had dementia-like illness in their tertiary syphilis by inoculation of malaria parasites and inducing fever in these people. Yes, he was awarded Nobel Prize for that, but with the advent of penicillin, an antibiotic, he was history, and that particular mode of treatment was not followed. There's no shame in that because that's how scientific medicine works. If these gurus get a cardiac arrest or a stroke, tell me, do they go rush to allopathic hospitals or do they go to the forest to find jadi booty for their treatment? Today, we have a vaccine for COVID-19 that is developed in around 1 year. Name any other specialty which has developed a vaccine in such a short period of time, in a record span of time. Unfortunately, it is not possible to develop a vaccine to prevent the spread of unscientific, foolish, non-evidence-based practices. My sincere request to all of you is to not fall prey to such advertisements, drama, and false promises. Do not believe in something which is not supported by facts, and do not believe if there is no proper authenticity. It is unfair to those allopathic doctors and nurses who have sacrificed their lives to save your life and to protect and prevent you from getting infected. It is totally unacceptable when a person says that it is due to allopathic medications that so many people in India are dying today. I challenge that person to come to the COVID ICU and do the COVID duties without wearing N95 mask. After all, N95 mask is a product of modern day medicine, product of allopathy. I am not against any other alternative medicine or alternative practices. However, a mixopathy, an inclusion of alternate medicine with allopathy is not what I am looking forward to. In a democratic country like ours, every person has a choice to make and a choice to seek whatever medication, whatever type of medication that he or she wants. We should not force any individual to take a particular medication nor a combination of different types of medications. Thank you.